Hey everyone, my name is Jalen Cook. I live in Clovis, New Mexico, and I teach at a small town called Texaco, New Mexico. I graduated from there, and thankfully enough, I got to return there to continue teaching. This is my third year in education, and I teach 7th and 8th grade math, and I coach volleyball and basketball. I've really enjoyed teaching in the classroom, but I'm getting this degree to try to figure out ways to incorporate technology into my classroom and to encourage other teachers just to incorporate technology in their own classroom and be a resource within my school. Not that I really want to do any instructional coaching, but just as a, hey, have you tried this type thing for those other teachers. Some strengths are that I do like to try new things in my classroom. I'm all about technology. I think that it's a growing world and our students really need to learn how to use it effectively and how much of a benefit it can be to them in their academic career. A weakness would be that sometimes I really struggle to find things that relate to my content. Currently, we have a program through our math textbook that allows us to incorporate an online component. But really, I use Quizlet a lot and I use Kahoot a lot, but I haven't found a lot of just general resources that I could use for my math class that as far as content goes. Now, I'm all about using Remind and Edmodo as forums to connect to the kids, but as far as the actual math content, I really struggle to find that. So I'd like to find some tools that I could adjust to use in my curriculum and encourage other math teachers in my school to do the same thing. I think that about covers it. I talked about my goals and what I plan to do with my degree. So I'm really looking forward to working with you guys. I know that now that school's started, it's going to be a lot different than taking classes in the summer. This is only my third class. I took 2 in the summer. So I know that we're all going to be a little bit more frantic as far as getting assignments done, but hang in there and together we can do it. Look forward to working with you.